So back home now. Gonna be back testing. What day is it? Week of Monday 7th, February 7th to just 1 week. 7th to 11th. Sorry, back testing today. Okay, so that's. Jeez, whoopsies. Okay. Okay, so. Oh my god. So going today. Right now, so I'm more bullish. Set this daily gap. On the inside of it, do have low resistance building up of it. Have this daily unfilled here. That was daily one up here as well. Now we are chilling right now inside this gap. We are really choppy though. What's news looking like? So nothing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Do have their CPI only today, and that's Thursday. So inside the daily gap, does 4 hour below. So if you want to sell off lower, want to see this 4 hour get tapped, and potentially this 4 hour as well. Both assets. Now for bullish, would want to see all this LR rent and go take out this internal high. And potentially this high as well. Let's see. You have all this low resistance building out to that internal high. And ES has this further internal. Apparently it looks like we did take out sell side, maybe into sell side, and inverse this gap. So right now, just based off that higher time frame to ES didn't inverse it. That's crazy. Okay, well NQ on the higher time frame is showing bullish. So respecting this, we have Asia and London here. I want to see this fair value gap hold, but if you do start selling off, anticipate sell side to get taken, or at least London and Asia to get taken. If we start displacing higher, expect these internal highs to get taken. So right now bullish going to today. So see what this gap gives, because we did just take this internal high. So bullish higher time frame, bearish want to see some sort of retrace or a continuation. Do you have LR leading up to that sell side? Just tap into this 15-minute. No news today. Gonna wait. Okay, so we're still inside that hourly. Set this 15-minute. Do you have this 15-minute internal low if you do want to sweep it? ES is also inside of it hourly, or sorry, a 15-minute below. We're inside this 5-minute as well. See if we hold that. Okay, inverse of 5. I'm gonna wait on see some sort of sell side get taken. Don't want to take this inversion only because it wasn't like sure we're respecting the 1 minute, but actually it's might be bad. 15. We did inverse the 5, but we did take out internal sell side right here. High time frame, we are bullish. Have relative equal highs right here. Clear displacement. I'm gonna take this. Just gonna take it up to here. Oh yikes! Is that 1 to 1? That's 1 to 1. Take this. We did tap the internal, but we left so many equal highs. And you also have the 50-minute can create up to maybe the lower Take no both these equal lows, res equal lows, got manipulation. Yeah, I'm gonna take this. Yeah, that would be break even though. It's probably break even trade. Yeah. It's more discretion to hold it, but you'd ideally want to see a speed displacement through it. Okay, that's a good loss. Let's see if we can continue higher to those equal highs. Get a 5-minute continuation. But we also are inside this 15-minute, whereas ES hasn't displaced higher, so we have S&T internally. So we can get a potential mech down to this 5-minute as well for continuation. I don't want to see any lower at this because I'm bullish on the higher time frame. I wouldn't take that short because there's no stop line. There is this, but I'd wait. If you didn't take it, actually, what you have? That was a good trade though. But now, okay, got the 5-minute tap. ES respecting. Have a reason to go higher. I'm gonna take this one more entry. Got manipulation here. Reason to go higher. Take this. It's my last trade. I'll see what happens. Okay, let's break even there. And break even. Yeah, that's fine. So 2 break evens today. All good though. Both are fire setups. So the first one. Second one also was good trade. Did it hit 1-to-1 though? No, it didn't. Yeah, so that was fine. Yeah, both are fire trades. Both, realistically, both also had the same criteria, so. Okay, fire. Both were 100% good trades. They're fire trades. It's more discretion to hold them, but I tell you, after that, I would have wanted to see push higher, but whatever. Okay, so it's this sell off. That was Hive Day. Okay, so right now we are still inside this hourly, but we're not getting really any displacement out of it. Have this daily gap here. 4-hour. Do a sell side here. Both of these have like that 4-hour gap below, so if you want to start selling, we want to see that. If I'm bullish, still have all the store resistance to run up here, but I wouldn't really anticipate that. Would be probably Asia highs in London, but you do have SMT there, so, and it's aligned with the higher time frame, so possible for this to be a high resistance and displace past through this hourly gap. So the hourly is going to be my condition. Started running through it. Want to see higher, respect it. Want to see lower. The relative lows, yes. Hourly. No 15. We do have 15 here, but I want to ideally see manipulation into this. And for ES to follow. Okay, ES to tap it. What are we holding? If we're holding that 5-minute, that's crazy, but took internal high. Not taking anything yet. Gonna wait. Okay, fire. Tap into the 15-minute. Still in the hourly. Expecting that. Want to see that internal high. There we go. So this internal high, 50-minute internal high, body's respected it. That does SMT as well. Now I want to see, so then 30 manipulate it higher. Would want to see this be, okay, hold on. 3 minute, 4 minute, 3 minute. I'm gonna take the short. Have low resistance built up. Higher time manipulate it higher. Low resistance below. Taking it to this. I'm gonna watch ES. Okay, ES is selling off. Once ES takes this low, then I'm gonna be out. Okay, ES took that low. I'm gonna scale most, but it's mostly gonna hit. Yeah, okay, it's whatever. Fire trade, super clean. We created the wick on the 15-minute, fire 15-minute, tap into the premium, put SMT, so the internal high, got the 3-minute this was a manipulation on the higher time frame, but we did also get manipulation right here. 3-minute inverse. Taking this, the reason I didn't go break even was only because of all the slow resistance, and since it's not like the last trade where last week where it's like up down, it's like all stacked, you want to see all this ran. So video show. We did, technically did, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. 15-minute 1 hour. Internal high. Draw liquidity with low resistance, really cool lows. T, yes. Time frame. Trade line with higher time frame, yes. Stop was in a protected area. Yes, there's displacement. Was there manipulation? Manipulation place. Was there a continuation model? Highest time frame version was the 3 minutes. I think, yeah, 3 minute. One almost met. This is a super clean trade. Shows 1% risk. Yeah, super clean. It's probably the only trade today. Don't want to really take anything, so I'm just gonna skip today or this day's fire trade. Day before CPI, so potential for okay. Now we are displacing out of this gap. Bullish. Want to see those low resistance that we marked on Monday get taken. Oh, we already did just tap it, so yes, is clearly. So I'm just gonna be bullish still, even though we did take this internal high. Potential for a rebalance, but ideally I want to see continuation higher. But it's like this whole gap, so like, and East did just tap this hourly, so I'm bullish more so. But if we do start, let me see if there's anything like precise I could target inside this 15 minutes. No, there really isn't. Damn, those data candle. Yikes! Well, hey, right now I am bullish. Don't really consider this significant because higher time we're rejecting the daily gap. Government innovation, respecting this is a protected low, and we are displacing past it. However, I can use this as a place for retrace or price to rebalance lower. So okay, so right now I'm just gonna wait. More so, would want to see low resistance build up and us retrace, or potentially also get a 5-minute condition. Respect this 4-hour here, 5-minute condition, but that's probably at 10 a.m. when this 4-hour candle holds or opens. Just gonna wait this hourly. Yeah, ES is completely displacing. So if ES is displacing, I don't want to see NQ persist. I want to see NQ also follow through. So swap that. So ideally, hold on, it's a 5-minute showing. You have low resistance built up. Is the displays higher and Q open lower. Tap into this hourly. Tap into this 15-minute. Took this out to sell side. There's no clean version, so can't take that. But yeah, this is all this low resistance. See if you come in a bit lower. There's a lower 15-minute, smaller one, and there's also a lower 5 minutes. So just wait, see if you get remanipulation. But there'll be nothing clear to take yet. Nothing yet. If I want to take this, I need to see that low get swept. But okay, took the high. Don't really have draws higher. I mean, the next draw is all the way up there. So I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. There you go. Okay, remanipulation. We're still inside that 4 hours, inside the hourly. Did ES tap anywhere significant? We're still in the hourly. No, ES is still inside this 50-minute gap. I mean, potential mix just because of how bullish we are. 1, 2, 3. $10 opens. Is stable for CPI. Nothing clean yet. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna fade this. So I don't like where we're coming off of. 10 a.m. is close as well. We can get the 4 hours short to this internal. I'm just gonna wait. I'm not gonna take this, but I could play out. Yeah. Okay, that's 10 a.m. They get that 4 hour open now. Hourly did get inverse. Okay, now I'm bearish going to today. Want to see some sort of retrace. We got the 5-minute retrace. Want to see some. See if you can get resweep. Yeah, and see if you get a clean version while respecting the 5. You disrespected the crate. Oh. Going for another 5-minute condition. Can't take that. Part of my rules, so. Yikes. That would have been such a clean short as well here. Unfortunate. Anyways, got that. Tap to the hourly. Start with the 4 hour. Lower 15-minute turn low. Just don't like this where we are right now. I really don't like this PA. Yeah, I know. Gonna fade most of it. See if you get something more clear. Clear this out as well. Yeah, this is really choppy. Okay, no trades today. No trades Wednesday. I'm in potential trades today. Where was it? If this 5-minute held, shorts would have been clean. Taking this 1-minute short right here. Stop here or stop there. Targeting this 4 hour. That was probably the first like a short. Second would have most likely been this one. I just didn't take it just because where we are, we still have the hourly gap. We could go to lower. We inversed this upper hourly, so didn't really want to see what we could, but that's fine. We still respect that 15-minute. Took the internal hello. If you had a 5-minute unfilled like up here or something, sure. Still low resistance, but this was high resistance in my opinion. Sure, it's not like relative high resistance based on order flow, but we disrespected this, respected it, like just not probable for my opinion. It's Wednesday. CPI today. Damn. Sold off. Okay, so right now we tap into this daily gap. I'll check. Give me 1 sec. Okay, back. Anyways, it's going today. Respecting the daily gap now, or like we edged previous day or edged this high time frame, retracing back in the daily gap. So I'm still overall bullish on a higher time frame. Now, can I still take shorts? Yeah, if you do shorts would be down to here, and then probably up to here would be shorts on ESN and Q. Yeah, nothing holding us from going lower. Like there's no hourly gaps. There's this internal load that we did just take, so potential for resistance here because this is a load that closed inside this hourly gap for both assets. So this is a good area for price to reject. What is this? Is it the daily? That's daily. Honestly, longs, I just don't really favor it because like this displacement. This is CPI, yes, but potential though for a mech model to this data gap on the 15-minute. Yeah, we're checking that. We'd wait for a 5-minute condition, so I'm just gonna wait. Anyways, well, I guess we did tap it. Both assets now. We have this data gap, the actual gap, this second minute after data was released. So we are delivering from this hourly gap and this hourly internal low. Respecting this 4-hour as well, both assets. Yep. So I'm leaning more bullish now. See if he displays past this. Okay, so he displays past both these 15 minutes. Ideally now, I want to see some sort of mech or continuation long from here. No, there's no gap, was there? Yeah, no. It was 30-second, but nothing yet. That was such a good candle though. Unfortunate. I'm just gonna wait. Probably won't get anything. Yeah, nothing. Okay. Sorry, 10 a.m. 10 a.m. opened. Where'd that 4-hour close? Respected this 4-hour. Both assets respected them. So right now I am leaning super bullish, or like more so bullish. Want to see if these highs could hit. Right now my draw is data highs. Did tap into this hourly, but I'm still super bullish based on where we are reacting from and where that the 4-hour closed. Don't really consider this aligned with the higher term draw. Do have relatively highs above. Want to see if 5-minute get traded to with the proper stop hunt, and then 15-minute opened as well. Just 10 a.m. right? 10 a.m. open higher. The 5-minute. Okay, tap this 5-minute. Do have reason for potential shorts for retracing to the 15-minute to overall higher time frame buy. So we are inside of an hourly still, nonetheless. You know, I don't want to see a hole. We are still technically respecting it. Journal. Okay, displacing past it. Nothing yet. Don't really see anything probable. Either I want longs, there's nothing. Okay, well, data highs was just taken. Well, that's unfortunate. See if you can continue higher. Has data. Yeah, displacing lower. Probably no trades as well today. So you get a 5-minute continuation shorts, but it's gonna be a 10. Yeah. Okay. No trades today. That might work though. Yeah. Okay, no trades today. Did want longs initially from this internal low. Just didn't get the 5-minute condition that I wanted. Had a 5-minute candle up here too. And once we retraced here, if there's a 30-second, sure, there might have been a 30-second here, but I'm not taking 30 seconds. This is a technical continuation though, from 5-minute. So yeah, the 30-second would have been valid, but if there was, you know. Okay, no trades Wednesday, Thursday. Let's see if we can end it off with a Friday. Can't recording so. Okay, so I knew that was gonna happen. I think they clicked this. Oh my god. Okay, so right now we did displace through that daily gap. More so looking for shorts now, higher time frame wise. Doesn't mean we can be so long, but based on where we are, where we just rejected or we displaced through, would want to see this. We do have SMT now with this low. Really just iffy price action. No news this Royal Friday. We had one news day. Inside this 4-hour, both assets. Do have this 1 hour above as well, so. Right now, higher time frame wise, I am bearish just how because like the order flow displacing lower. Potential for shorts right now would be this hourly gap from this 4-hour, both assets. If you want long, would look for continuation longs this hourly, probably 15-minute internal high. Or yeah, probably up to here as well, because that's the end of LR. So I'm just gonna wait. We'll mostly want shorts though. Sweep that internal high. Let's add this 15-minute as well. So now that we did sweep this, see if we get see equals as well. Those are okay. Hold on. Potential for shorts. We are rejecting a 15-minute here. Did take out internal high, both assets. Do you have reason to go lower? There. Hourly below as well. Oh my god, are you serious? Well, there's your answer. I said shorts was good. Don't even I said it. Seeing a 5-minute continuation shorts. God damn. What is this? They inversed all the other gaps, left relative lows, but just geeked up. Like, god damn. God, I hate price action. Oh my god. What is this? Okay, well, anyways. Tap the hourly forward, did respect. Tap the hourly. Now let's see what happens here. Mark out what's being respected quickly. That's 10 a.m. Okay, hourly held. Wait, let's trade the late into it. Side does 15-minute as well. Let's sweep out all this. See if you get a 5-minute. Don't want. Okay, well, like this. Like what is this? Up, down, up, down. God damn. I most. But you're inside that hourly as well. I do have reason to go higher because of. Did take out the other though, but we still have this high here. ES is not displacing of anything. Both respective. I'm gonna wait. Don't really like this PA right here. Don't like that version. No stop hunt, nothing clear yet. Okay, got the 5-minute. Do have relative lows right here. Is there a gap? These are internal lows. Okay, potential. Nah. Generate LR. So we did tap the 5-minute. Are holding this 1 minute. Turn the internal. I'm gonna take this. Low risk though, super low risk. Well, reason for the trade. So we are rejecting off this 4-hour. Even though we are inside this hourly, don't want to see it hold. Have low resistance and equal lows below us. ES has lots of reason to go lower right here. But if you the reason it's low risk is also just look at this price action. Like it's just long wicks. So I'm gonna take the super low right now. Okay, I didn't technically execute on it, but Just want to see though, but I'll go back and take that. Okay, end up selling off, but I'll take that super low risk. There's a 5-minute ES though. Just peep that. I did relative go lows below. We want to see that get swept. Continuation. Bro, why can't I place a trade? There you go. Now, what was the reason that we actually started selling off? I don't know. Looks like S&T was the reason, the trigger, but it's fine. Okay, one win, one break even, one small L this week.